So, hi, today we'll be starting with our networking fundamentals part. And before we begin, first I'll walk you through the curriculum, that what all of the things we are going to go through. Okay, and then we'll start this session. Initially, we'll just start with the introductions. So, might be possible few of the terminologies you're already aware and you already know about it, but still, just to brush up, we'll go through that again. So we'll start with the introduction to networking. Then what's the need of networking? Why do the computers need networks? Then we'll see about some real world examples and different types of networks. Then furthermore, we will see like how the networks are designed. So we'll talk about different type of topologies. What are the pros and cons of each and where each topology is being used in the real world scenarios. And then further, we'll come to the networking devices, broadcast collision domains, okay, how each of the things are working, where you have all these things, right? So that's how we are going to go through. We are going to go through the networking devices where we'll cover about NIC, hub, switch, router, access point, firewall, servers. Okay, so few of the devices might not be mentioned here, like access point, WLCs. Okay, so those all things also I'll get you aware with. Then what's the difference between modem and router, different types of cables, and what is the role of cables? What is the role of wireless? Okay, those are things. Once we are done with these basic fundamentals, then we will move on to the core networking concepts. When we'll understand the backend process. This will be the front end. This is what is visible to us, right? Then further, we will move on to the backend, wherein we will see how the backend process is there. So how the devices are communicating, if they are communicating, how they are communicating, what's happening in the backend, how the devices are identifying each other, those all things. So we will go through the OSI and TCP/IP models, which are the base for the internet. So there we'll understand about their different layers. What are the functions of each layers? What protocols are used? What are the real world analogies and real world applications of these different layers and models? That's what we'll see. And then we'll further understand about encapsulation and decapsulation. Next, we have about IP addressing, wherein we will see, first of all, what is an address, different types of address, V4 and V6, which are the different versions of your IP addresses, public versus private. And then we'll go through a brief of subnetting as well, wherein I'll tell you how you can break the networks into smaller parts. We'll understand about default gateway and DNS. Okay, so like I said, few of the terminologies you might already be aware, and because you might already be using these things in your day-to-day life, right? Yeah. So those are things you will understand. Further, we have data transmission. So here we are supposed to build the foundation for you so that you can furthermore start with the cloud. I guess that's what your further step is, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So for that, we will understand about unicast, broadcast, multicast, duplex, then half duplex, simplex. What's the difference between bandwidth and latency, circuit and packet switching? That will be our phase two, right? Then we have phase three, where we'll actually go onto the devices. We'll start doing some configurations, right? There you will understand about, how a switch works, what are the collision versus broadcast domains, and what are the VLANs, why do we need VLANs, and how do the VLANs work, and what kind of facilities do VLANs provide to us. Once we are done with this concept, then further we will move on to the routing concepts. In the routing concepts, we will see about what's the router, how the router works, why do we need a router, why switch cannot do the things, and nowadays what is happening, right? So those all things we will see. Then we'll talk about different type of routing. We'll see about static and dynamic routing. We'll see about different protocols. Okay, so some of them are obsolete, which I'll just tell you that yes, this is obsolete and we'll not cover that part. And we will jump on to the actual things that are being used. Yeah, default routes and then importance of the routing part in the real world. Then further, we have practical networking. And inside the practical networking part, we will again understand how do you assign IP addresses on different systems, how do you test the connectivity, and if there are certain issues, how you're going to troubleshoot all those issues. Okay. And that's where we will do some labs as well. Like we will build small topologies, we will configure IPs and gateway, we will perform tests. Okay. So even in routing and switching also, we will are going to do certain practicals. And that's where the important part comes in, the protocols and services. So in the protocol and services, we will actually understand the backend protocols which are facilitating the communication and how the actual communication is taking place. Wherein I'll explain you about different protocols like ARP, ICMP, DHCP, DNS, what's NAT, what is HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, Telnet, SSH, all these different protocols we will understand. And then further, we will move on to the security part. So in the security, we will understand about firewalls, ACLs, what's the difference, why we are not using routers, why we are going to with the firewalls. I'll tell you about different generations of firewall, how the firewalls gradually evolved over time, and now what we are having. Okay, what's the concept of next gen firewalls? So all these things we will understand. Then we will go through the importance of encryption. Why do we need data encryption? What is encryption? Different types of encryption. Once we are done with that, then we'll see about some safe browsing and Wi-Fi security basics. So before going to the Wi-Fi security basics, we will also understand about different protocols that are used for wireless security. Okay, and again, how those protocols evolved over time and what are different types of authentications you can have. Okay, these all sort of things we are going to see. And then we have the real world networking part, wherein we will try to design small enterprise networking concepts, wherein we have ISP, modem, router, switch, and then the edge devices. And I'll tell you about different architectures of the networks that is there in the SOHO architecture. Okay, 2 layer, 3 layer architectures. Okay. Then spine and leaf, which is basically used in the data centers and really important for you because you're going to go to the cloud part, right? Then again, troubleshooting will be there. How do you approach? How do you begin your troubleshooting if you face an issue? What are the common issues that you can face in the networks? So those all issues along with their troubleshooting steps. Then we have cloud and modern networking, where I'll get you familiar with virtualization, cloud networking, what is SDN, network automation, then what is DevNet, why DevNet, and why do we have this DevNet cloud and security skills, why these are called the future. So that's how this particular networking fundamentals course is going to be.